Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to be making hotteok. I found this at Emart, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know this is like the one thing I want to eat since coming to Korea and I can never find it. This is the, I don't know if you can see, this is the one I bought. Sean told me this is gonna be a good one, so he chose it actually. Everything is inside, I guess, and it's all in Korean, obviously. He's not helping me, but I'm gonna bother him like what I need to do. So, let's open this up. Comes with the mix. This is gul mix. So I think this is like the sweet stuff maybe. Oh, I thought I saw something else. Is that it? Oh, that is instant yeast. Oh no, I don't know what's happening. So it came with this, and also came with this package. And on the back, this has some like yeast attached. So we need 200 milliliters of warm water. So I just have this random bottle thing. I don't know if you can see, but there's like measurements on it. So first of all, we're gonna put the green mixture stuff in here. The Hotteok mix. Open that up. Put it in here. Oh, it's clumpy. Uh-oh. Can you guys see? And then we're gonna put the yeast. What the hell does yeast even look like? Oh. That what it looks like? It's like kind of this brown color, I guess. I'm gonna put this all in here. The water. Oh god, okay. And then, ooh, mix it up. No idea if this is right or wrong, but I feel like it's doing something. That's what it's supposed to look like. Come on, Jen. The box says mix for 2 to 3 minutes, but I didn't time myself, so. Ding! So I'm actually gonna cover that up for like 5 to 10 minutes, I guess. This is actually like brown sugar and cinnamon. So I'm gonna make this. This is what we're actually going to put inside the hotteok mix. Where are my scissors? Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is, I don't actually have gloves. I'm supposed to like mix it up, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in my hands. I already washed my hands, don't worry please. Oh, that's just my assistant in the back there. So, I'm just gonna take a little bit, like how big is good, let's see. Like this? More?
More.
Slap that on there. Oh, it's sticky. Does not feel good, I'm gonna tell you right now. Okay, make a little ball. Okay, so make a little hole. Okay. Okay,
Just
so
ground. You can turn in.
Okay, assistant, I would like for you to insert the goods. I mean, put the sugar stuff in here. That's a lot. Okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're just gonna close the hole. Oh, there's no way this is right. It's too sticky. I need a professional. Help! Why is it too sticky? No. Oh, I feel it inside. Okay, stop. Oh no! It opened. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I think he put too much. Honestly, I don't know where I went wrong.
You just put it in the pan.
But look, it's opening.
Okay. It's okay.
It's okay? Is it though? Is it okay? I don't think so. Okay, so I failed. And we're gonna show you how it's really done now. Okay, bring in the professional.
Oil massage.
Ew! That looks really bad. Well, yeah, maybe you needed to knead it. Oh my god, it's not sticking for him. What? What? Have you made hotteok before?
No.
What?
Time.
That's too much. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see. I'm gonna try making the last one. So I guess I just needed a lot of oil.
More bigger. No. More big. Yeah. More. Okay. Good. Little bit more. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Part. You just go here. Okay. And then this side. And then this side. Oh,
Oh
good girl.
shit!
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, too easy. now,
Yum.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
So easy.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh my god! It's happening!
Yes.
Oh
Then
shit.
push.
Push,
Yeah.
baby.
And then the other one too.
Oh,
Okay. The other one.
uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh shit, it's burning.
Okay. Just push.
Two are dark.
I think your fan is too small.
Mm-hmm.
You just cut.
Oh. All?
You just cut, yeah. All.
Melted in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna try it now. Oh my god, that's so good. Holy moly. And there's like nuts or something in here. Peanuts maybe? And the brown sugar and the wow. I've been craving this for probably almost a month and I finally got it and it's so good and I can easily make it, well, easily. I can make it at home with the help of my husband. Comment down below what other Korean foods you want to see me try to make. Keyword try. This is so good though. So I don't know where I went wrong with the batter earlier in the yeast. Maybe I need to mix it more, or like if I had gloves, you know, I could really get in there. But I mean, after getting more oil, because I think the first time I didn't have enough oil in my hands, so it was really sticky, but then later I had more oil and it worked a lot better. So if you guys want to try this at home, just look for the box that I showed you guys before. If it's in your neighborhood, if there's like a Korean market, like H Mart or something, I'm sure you guys can try too. And everything's inside. You don't need anything else besides water. So I think I'm gonna make a cup of tea to go with this, but this is so good. Let me know what other kind of foods you want to see me try to make, and I will probably try. There's no harm trying, right? Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!